Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Growing with me here at Ananda Permaculture Farm. Now it's been a while since we posted any videos, but we have actually been sort of busy, as well as our videographer has been in college, so she did not have time to come and record some videos. But luckily she's back, and now we're going to be putting out a bunch of videos, so please stay tuned. And if you haven't already subscribed and clicked on the notifications button, do that now so that you know when the next bunch of videos will get released. So we are here today on a very cold yet sunny winter morning in what we call Jamun Bagh, because this garden is built under the mighty Jamun tree. Now you remember, people always think that you can't grow things under trees, but we can grow things under trees, and the only trick is to make sure that all parts of your garden receive sunlight. So if you can get your orientation right, and if you can make sure that the southern sun travels through the day and gives light to your garden at some point or the other, it doesn't need light through the day, it needs light at some point or the other, then you can take a multi-layered crop out of every space. So that's Jamun, and under the Jamun trees we had planted a lot of citrus, which were actually quite ignored because we had planted them here and sort of forgotten about them. But earlier this year we built beds in this entire garden. So when you look around, you'll see that there are beds everywhere, and because of these beds we've managed to now start taking crops under the citrus trees as well in a much more organized manner. So what's growing right now in Jamun Bagh are potatoes. Now potatoes is something that we like to grow every year because we can actually manage to store them for some time and get our own potato requirement for the entire year. Because we've recently built a cellar, we know that we'll be able to keep the potatoes for much longer time than what we've managed to do in the past. So we're actually excited about putting potatoes away into our root cellar, and we'll show you our root cellar at later point in time once we fill it up with food. Now the 4 types of potatoes that we've planted are, first, the very desi white potatoes, which are likely to be small, not very big, but they are the kind that we like to use. The second variety is actually the red potato. The red potato comes with a red cover, though it turns out to be white from inside, and it's something we've planted in the past. And it's known to be like the hill folks potatoes, like the Pahadi log. The people living in hills tend to plant those potatoes. The third variety that we've planted is actually called Neelkant, and it's the first time we are planting something like that. It's a purple potato. It's a through and through purple potato. We have no idea how it will taste and what is the best way to use it. So if you have any suggestions for us, do drop them in the comments box. And finally, the 4th variety is what's I think called chip sona. It's the big potato, which is typically bought by multinationals to make wafers or chips out of. So those are bigger ones, and they are great for baking potatoes in their jacket or scooping something out and filling it with some vegetables. So those are the 4 varieties of potatoes that we have planted. As usual, we have planted potatoes in lines. We have mounded them up a little bit and then mulched them heavily with wood chips. But so far so good, they all seem to be doing pretty well. The shoots are looking great and big, and I think the potato setting would have started by now. Well, we've got potatoes from the bottommost layer of our garden. We've also picked up mossammis, which is sweet lime, and lemons from the same garden, because that's what's growing on the trees which are within the same beds. So that's really what's growing in our garden this year, and of course you'll see that it's peppered with flowers as well, because we believe that every garden should have some beauty, some flowers, so that it becomes a charming place where you like to come, visit and look around, and it feeds the soul. So that's it from me today from Jamun Bagh, and I hope you enjoyed this show and tell around Jamun Bagh, and I'll be back with some more videos now, so do stay tuned. So this is me, Manisha Lat Gupta from Ananda Permaculture Farm, signing off. Bye bye.